Welcome to this video that clarifies what a passive trust is for tax purposes. To define a passive trust, it is important to note that all trusts, passive or active, are required to submit an income tax return on an annual basis in terms of the annual public notice issued by the Commissioner. A passive trust may be compared with a dormant company. However, unlike a company that may cease all administrative and operational activities, a trust is required to maintain certain annual activities. These activities include annual trustees' meetings. Based on this requirement, SARS decided to define trusts with no economic or operational activities as passive trusts. Note that an assessment should be made on an annual basis to determine if the trust has maintained its passive status or if it has resumed operational activities. Also note that the passive status should be maintained for the full tax year of assessment. Should the trust have any operational activity for a portion of the year, it will be classified as economically active. What are the benefits of a passive trust? A trust that is classified as passive will not be required to submit the full detailed annual tax return. When completing the tax return, the representative taxpayer will click on the Passive Trust button in the wizard in the Trust Tax Return. This action will open up only limited containers that should be completed by the taxpayer. The containers that will be opened relate to beneficial ownership and information on loans that are subject to Section 7C of the Income Tax Act. Beneficial ownership will be dealt with in a separate video. Please complete the requested information accurately and submit your return timelessly. Should you have any further queries, please refer to the SARS website at sars.gov.za for further guidance. Thank you for watching. SARS, at your service.